From here you can see this is the Tertiary. It is a mobile screening system. It is also has the diesel engine. It's also the Deutz diesel engine. This is a horizontal vibrating screen. It has a very high vibration power and very high separating efficiency. So this is the last stage of this 210 mobile crushing plant. The primary is the mobile jaw crusher. The secondary is the mobile cone crusher, and the tertiary is the mobile screen. This one will play the role of separating all the qualified size. You can see this is still under production. Maybe after 1 week, 1 more week, we can finish the production, and we will make the final test running. Then we deliver to the customer. Sinotech Group always treat quality and service as our source. We highly welcome all the clients from overseas to come to visit our factory and to test our machines. Thank you.